Welcome back, guys, to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you, but we are always smiling. Guys, important announcement. Like, really, whenever you guys see me out there on the street, you see me at an event, you see me at a restaurant, you see me walking on the road, this is how I need for you guys to approach me. Don't be scared. It's alright. I watch your vlog and I love. Calm down. I watch your vlog and I love your vlog. It's so nice to meet you. Because big man thing, guys, like whenever I go out, like it's not often, but like the other day I went to an event and I saw someone. I saw like about two or three people like saw me and they were like, "Oh, I love your vlogs." And immediately, like, because yo, it's real. Like immediately I'm like, I honestly do not know what to say. Like I get like so freaking nervous. Not that I'm not a people person, but like it's so surprising that people actually watch it and I'm actually meeting them. So if you see me on the road or whatever and I don't really react maybe how you might want me to react sometimes, like just bear with me. For me, it's I don't think I'll ever get used to it anyway. But anyway, guys, today I took Mocha and Natty to the vet. Freaking expensive. Like literally I paid like, I think they probably upped the fee for the visit. I don't know if it's a 2018 thing. Today is the January 2nd of 2018, but it came out to like 5,000 something. I was like, what the hell? I was so frightened, but whatever, it's 2 dogs. So I paid for them and then they were like, oh, they have to get 4 shots, so they have another shot sometime this month again. So that's what's up with me. And then what did I do? I went to the beach. Nothing for y'all to see, because literally I went to the beach just to sleep. Yo, it's so freaking weird, but I never got much sleep. Well, as Fitbit would say, I get like normally like 5 hours and something every day. But I went to the beach and I legit just laid there on the lounge and I was like, well, let's see if this is gonna work. And I laid on like immediately I just knocked the hell out because the beach is like so freaking soothing. So I went there today, but I'm going back to the beach tonight. That's the meat of the matter. I'm going back to the beach tonight. I'm taking you guys to Helshire beach because last time we went we had lobster and it was fantastic, but I didn't carry my vlog camera, so I'm taking you guys there today. I'm gonna pick up Judah. I'm taking her as well, and yeah, let's see what's up. Guys, I'm gonna just get to Judah yard, but on the way I stopped and I saw some jackfruit. My mother loves jackfruut. It's the same thing you see on TV where people talking about you can take it and make pork or whatever. I'm not sure some of that come hungry. So show that bit, Helshire? Yeah, so we reach Helshire now. Guys, we just get stopped by the person who can buy lobster from normally. Right now we kinda calm. Oh, right now we kinda calm. Normally it's like more people, but because we're here at... Guys, I just got questioned by Judah's dad to the T. Like 100%. But anyway, it's now like 10 p.m. so it calmed down a little bit. So this is where we're at. You kind of have a little fish market look and all the people have them like a stall, but if I find a person who are your plug, and yeah, so this is the plug. What name?
Hope some stuff.
Yep. So anytime you guys come to Helshire, this is where you want to go. Trust me. So it's a walk in now. Regular. The music now play. Home to music. If you realize it's like all the floor. Just sand same way. Oh, man, drink some liquor. Like some beer. And sit down I know we'll go order first. But yeah. Calmness still. Normally I have music and thing, but as I say, kind of late. So I'm going to take a look on the lobster real quick. So I'm going to 2 more, man. So you don't have a little fridge over there so and thing, keep it cool and thing. Yes, and everything just look normal. It's not a red lobster. Still peak, right? Look at gremlin. Look at gremlin. Head back. Well, let me see him. Let me see him. Yeah, I want that one there too.
Alright.
I'm at thing.
You have plantains this time?
Platinum done.
How much festival about last time?
Like 10.
10
Yeah.
festival, I love them. And
I don't eat bami, so I don't know if you want
Alright,
one.
I go to 10 festival.
I will take a bami. So, where one? Be like 8 festival and a bami?
I don't eat bami, so it's bami would be.
And you got eat the 10 festival?
I'll eat.
It's okay. Nobody knows they agree. Yeah, so we just put in our order and I get garlic fried lobster, whatever it is. Well, I get some beer right now, or chicken in Smirnoff raspberry. And yeah. Alright, just to give you guys the info before I even ask. I know I normally ask how much feet. I think last time Judah took us here, it cost probably like 6 grand. Judah. Last time you came, how much did you spend? Yeah, so it is cost like about $5,000 about. So come here, so with like a 7 grand. If you go come with a girl or whatever, good lobster. Can get a couple drinks with that too. Bummy. Then do the thing, but I gotta go on. But I could chill now. I know, so now. Love the vlogs. The vlogs are back again. New year, new beats. Don't know. Not a Malta kind of day. Cheers.
Yeah, alright, let me see if I can like hide my phone somewhere.
So this is our wish part with it pretty much. You can come chill out yourself. Got some little wooden chairs and thing. Go and listen to the beach a little bit. And my thing. I don't think y'all can see anything out there. But pretty much that's the beach. And it's gonna be too dark to see the rest, but so we're gonna chill for a little bit and just ease ourselves, you know? Welcome to Jamaica. Thank you, my friends. So the festivals are for greedy Judah. 10 festivals, you know, people. Escovitch, you don't know the onion and the pepper and thing. We have the oh God, Jesus, oh God. So you don't know if I reach with a little Escovitch, you know what I mean? Topping on that bad boy. Oh my gosh. Good, babe. The festival, them guys are banging. Like, watch out. It's like a bread, but it's soft and fluffy. Jesus. Escovitch in a festival, babes. I think this is the eggs. I don't know. I believe so. The eggs are there. The lobster. And it's pretty good. Oh gosh. So for those of you who don't know, it's what we call bami. Pretty much it's a cassava, like dried cassava or something like that, compressed together. And they normally make it with like, they soak it in coconut milk and then they fry it down and stuff.
Or regular milk.
Regular milk?
Yeah.
Uptown. Coconut milk for you real country people them. Big up on yourself, country people them. Saint Anne. Anchovy. Not try to find other country people and can't find none.
You ain't country then, boom.
Chilani, Moko,
Bye.
Maroon Town. Alright guys, a mini crime scene. Like I think I'm getting better at eating lobster. Remember when I did the lobster on the beach vlog when I was in the grill? I never really dealt with that lobster so well. Well, this one is way better. But I'm gonna mash up the next one right now. Guys, Judah eat both 10 festival. How much did you eat, babes?
What's so long, kid?
It's true.
You had like 2 out of it.
How much left? About 4. Judah, oh, brother? Got a nice white, juicy meatiness. Dipping in that good old Escovitch, spicy, oniony, vinegary goodness, savory. God damn, I know y'all want this. You want help, babes?
No.
Baby need help.
No, I don't.
Alright, take it out then.
Yeah, I got it. See?
All of it?
One step at a
Oh,
time.
obviously all like come out, babes.
I'm doing it. Leave me alone. But up here is like really tough because the spice.
Really fair, babes.
No, you're gonna eat it.
No, I'm not gonna eat, babes. Guys, Jamaican lobster are some real roughneck lobster. Look at them sharps up here. And I like the red lobster when it, you know, it's smooth and nice and all them something. I want it dead till I fight it to blood clean. Just so you know, roughneck. And them so dirty we can't even look up video.
Damn, Stephen.
There is good meaty, bro. I wish y'all were here to watch me eat. We almost dropped. But I just give thanks to these two lobsters that gave their lives for us today. To be quite honest, maybe he was going with on a business trip in a bit. He's telling Pink names to go on a business trip and not come back, but he never come back. He never make it. It's in our bellies. And Judah, of course, have to carry home food. Make a girl like this, you know, guys. Swear.
Why? I supposed to be full on green in front of you?
Eh? Like I mashed up a 10 festival a while ago. How much festival left back in this one? Let's count it, guys. See there? Anyway guys, so this is where we're going to pretty much end the vlog because we're done eating. Nigga had to keep on my face really hard. So, as always, these three things, guys: love, nature, adaptation. Remember, if you love the video, give it a like. Thank you guys for always liking the video of recent. And if you want to keep watching more videos, subscribe. Catch you guys later. Keep it linked.